You often think your money is safe because it is sitting still. It might be shrinking, quietly, predictably, every single month. And that is what makes this trap so dangerous, because nothing dramatic happens. There is no alarm, no flashing warning, no big moment where somebody tells you your financial future is being slowly weakened. It just happens in silence. Your savings sit there earning almost nothing. Inflation keeps moving, prices keep rising, your money keeps losing real value. And because you can still see the number in the account, you tell yourself you are being responsible. But visible is not the same as protected. You often confuse "I still have it" with "it is still working." It is not. Money that sits in the wrong place for too long is not resting, it is eroding. That is the comfort trap. You are not being punished for being reckless. You are paying for being passive. And the longer that passivity feels safe, the more expensive it becomes. Follow and subscribe for more, and don't forget to like and share. And watch out for the next video in the series, The Comfort Trap, Case File 3, coming out soon. See you in the next one.